Hey you guys, I just want to show y'all what I have on my refrigerator. I have ice cream, chicken, pork chop, ground beef, fries, more ice cream, fish fillet, and chicken bites, and chicken nugget. Over here I have breadsticks, pancake on stick, and a snapper, and chicken nuggets, and mac and cheese you put in the microwave, and meatballs. Okay. Down here I have sausage, sandwich meat, grapes, orange juice, and spaghetti sauce, and another snapper, and strawberry, and a brownie. Here I have sodas, good items, cheese, water, old snapper. This is what I have up in here: cheese, sour cream. I have potatoes. I have onions, bell pepper. I have more fruits back there, and more sausages and sandwich meat. Yeah.